Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.